Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2021 Kia Niro. Now, of course, this is a self-charging hybrid, and you do get your LED daytime running lights, halogen automatic headlights. You then also get these brilliant painted alloy wheels, which of course are a 16-inch alloy. I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of the design pattern and the condition that you do get. Coming around to the rear, you also have your rear parking sensors and your reversing camera, which is just up at the top here. Inside the tailgate, we do have plenty of room, including 60/40 split flat folding rear seats. You then also have your privacy shelf, which pulls out and ensures maximum privacy for any belongings inside the tailgate. Then coming back out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we have park cloth, part leather interior with ISOFIX mounting points at the bottom. You've then got full electric windows all around. Only the driver's is automatic. And then coming inside, we then have your automatic gearbox just here. We've then got dual climate control in the front. Then we have your media settings up on the touchscreen display. Now, as you can see, you get your Bluetooth hands-free. You get DAB, FM. You've got your media, which includes Bluetooth, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Then over to the steering wheel, we've got your Bluetooth hands-free, volume, track select, voice assistant. Over to the right, we have your cruise control settings. We've then also got your automatic headlights and windscreen wipers. And as you can see, this Kia has done 44,204 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do, of course, require any further information on this Kia Niro, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.